Hello world and welcome back to another edition of Ableton Gems, where we look at some of the real gems buried within the thousands of effects and instrument presets that Ableton has to offer. Today's gem is even more sneaky for having recently changed its name.
You sneaky mom!
It's the infamous hip-hop sub-bass device, recently renamed to Basic Sub Sine. Here's a short loop that's ready for some sub-bass. So let's use Basic Sub Sine to give the track a nice solid foundation in the low frequencies. Sub-bass frequencies can be a little tricky to hear and feel on smaller speakers, so it's sometimes useful to add extra harmonics. The overtone parameter adds a single even harmonic in the low mids, in other words, the same note but at a higher pitch. Or, for a more exaggerated effect, you can go all out with the distortion parameter. There's also drop, which gives you that classic 808 sub-drop sound. And the glide parameter to slide the pitch between overlapping notes. A few things worth noting. Firstly, if I place a spectrum after the instrument, you can see that, even with all the extra parameters turned down, the device won't necessarily give you a completely pure sine wave, but that's part of the charm. Secondly, one of the keys to a solid low end, if that's what you're after, is to have your sub-bass hitting at the same volume for every note. If we place a compressor at the end, you can see that that isn't the case here. But that's nothing a little compression can't fix. And there you have it, the Ableton Gem Basic Sub Sine. Click.